I welcome all of you on platform of YourPD Education. You know, YourPD Education, I believe, is the only platform which is preparing you so extensively for interviews and GDs and various other counseling activities. Now, this video is a part of my other videos related to the interviews. When you face interviews, how you can get really good score in that. So, this particular video is related to a very important approach which some of students which get very high score in interview, they follow. Pulling the interview in your direction is an art, but it comes with a lot of effort. You know, students think that interview is all about interviewer, वो जो पूछेगा हमें उसका आंसर करना है, लेकिन वो क्या पूछेगा ये तुम डिसाइड करना चाहिए. ये you should be so expert कि वो क्या पूछेगा वो तुम्हें पहले ही पता है. That is called pulling interview in your direction. So what question he is going to ask you that you already know, कि अब वो ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछेगा और मैं उसका ये आंसर करूंगा, और जो मैं आंसर करूंगा तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये आएगा, समथिंग लाइक दैट. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट आउट ऑफ 10 क्वेश्चंस you know all the 10 questions he is going to ask you, no, but out of 10 questions, if in the beginning 2-3 questions are such that you are pulling interview in your direction, then you will score good in the interview, and that is an art. First question is normally predictable, that is introduce yourself, and majority students make mistake in that question only. I have already made a video, please watch that, how to introduce yourself, what to say in that, what not to say in that, how to maintain the rhythm, how to make it interesting, and how to generate curiosity in the interviewer through your introduction, that I have already made. Now this particular video is how to pull interview in your direction, what to say in your introduction or what to say in your answer, so that next question comes from that particular part. And those who are expert, those students who get practice, lot of practice and are expert, they speak in such a way that they end their answer at a point from where next question they want, and the interviewer is asking them the same question. You will tell something in your answer and the interviewer will ask you question from there only. This is called pulling interview in your direction, and this is the surest way to play safe and to get good score or good marks in interview. So let's start. Okay, so how to pull interview in your direction? You know, first question is predictable, introduce yourself. So how to introduce yourself, that video is already uploaded, please watch it. Second comes, you should say something in this answer that next question is also predictable and you are pulling the interview in particular direction. So you are basically making the script of entire interview. It is not that interviewer is asking question, you are making him ask the question which you want. Some of the important points you need to keep in your mind for this. You need to say something very interesting about you, about your place, about your hobby, about your project, about your parents, about your brothers, sisters, anything. If you say something very interesting in your introduction, the next question comes from there. Sir, I belong to the place Jamshedpur, and sir, Jamshedpur is a very famous place named after Bharat Ratna J.R.D. Tata, and he was a great personality, sir. So you can expect J.R.D. Tata से कुछ question अगर उनको पता हो, if they know that yes, and normally they know that J.R.D. Tata was Bharat Ratna and he was first pilot and many things, so some questions can come from there, right? So this is how you can say, sir, I belong to a village which is oldest democracy in the world. So there must be something interesting in your village, in your town, in your district. It must be famous for, let us say, clothes, let us say some eating things, Darjeeling tea, कुछ तो interesting बताओ अपने village के बारे में, अपने area के बारे में, maybe your weather, you have climate, if you have something like that, right? Sir, my hobby is cooking, but I like to cook only South Indian food. So you are North Indian, you are from Punjab, you are from Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan. Sir, I am from Rajasthan, but I like only to cook South Indian. Then they will ask you, why South Indian only? Sir, I am a very good cook, but I cherish and enjoy cooking only non-vegetarian food. So say something, jahan se next question they can ask you. Sir, I have many good reasons to join prestigious IOCL. So what are those reasons? They are going to ask you. And you have to end your introduction at that particular point from where you want the answer. Suppose you said everything, you are going for IOCL interview, and then you said everything, and at the end of introduction you said, sir, there are many reasons why I want to join IOCL, and I am lucky to be here today. So then they are going to ask you, what are the reasons? So this is what you wanted and you have prepared the answer for that. Sir, my previous job profile matches with what I am to get in ONGC. So they are certainly going to ask you about your previous job profile. My friends talk very positive about my positive attitude toward life, sir. You are telling about your strengths, right? The project which I have done in graduation is based upon real world problems, sir. So they are going to ask you about your project. Sir, I am voracious reader and love to read fictional stories. I watch inspirational movies, I watch historical movies, and my favorite movie is Sardar Patel, you understand, or Gandhi. Sir, I have done project on solar energy harvesting which can lead to solution of energy deficiency in inaccessible region of India, the kind of region from where I belong, sir. My village is in the area where after many years we could get the electric energy or something. So you can end up your introduction here. I am planning to file patent for the research work, sir, which I have done. So they are certainly going to ask you about the research work. Sir, my father is already working in public sector and I have seen the lifestyle which he enjoys, and that is one of the reasons I want to join in public sector. So they are going to ask you which public sector is working and all these questions. Sir, I belong to Darjeeling, which is famous for tea gardens and has strategic locations. So you are to mention something in your introduction from where you can predict the next question, and believe me, this is an art. This comes with a lot of practice, and this comes, but if you practice it, nobody can basically give you less marks in interview. You will surely qualify any interview, and interview is the last stage. We cannot afford to miss it. We need to score really high in interviews, and in some interviews you see only interview decides, like ISRO. Only interview decides whether you are in or you are out, and this tactic works there also. This is an art, as I told you, and it works there also. Hope you understood it. Prepare well. Thank you.